Kind of definitely a little different diagnosis on this. We knew we had a problem in this cylinder. So this is leak down here. You can see where I don't have, the compressor's about out of air, but we have 100% leakage here. And I hope it comes through in the video. We have two valves down there, both intakes. And they both open and close at the same time. So we do have it on compression stroke. We do have it on compression stroke. There we go. And we have one sealing intake valve, but we definitely have one that's not sealing. Now this engine's going back as a core, so not really would I do this like if it was in the car with soapy water. I don't know that it hurt anything, but no, I would not do that. But just in kind of essence of getting to the root cause of what's going on, I did listen to it with a stethoscope as well, and I have quite a bit of leakage here on the lower end. But we obviously have a cylinder head issue, and I believe some of these had issues where the valve seating area on certain generation 5-liter Coyotes would give problems. But this one was pretty interesting, where I have one valve that is sealed and one valve that's not. I wish it would focus down in there. That is a, and just bear with me, I know it's out of focus, but you can tell what I'm seeing, and maybe it's coming through in the video. That is a significant amount of leakage on the, you know, leaking valve there. So this is a multi-valve engine, multi-cam, intake, exhaust cam, both banks. So definitely mechanical failure on this one. We made the right call, obviously, with an engine. You know, it'd be a little late now. We're not going back, putting this one back in. Could this one be rebuilt? Possibly, but at 250,000+ miles, she's put in her time, and we should hopefully do startup on this one in the next few days.